Hello traders, today we will take few trades. You check here, we have opened OTC pair. Okay, we will trade from this candle only. Here we can go with buyers. Why? If you notice left side there is a previous retest level. I think you got the point. Why? And I will show you the level in the next candle. Maybe most of the people should understand before itself, but they are watching my videos, easily they can identify the levels also. So I will plot the level in the next candle. It's not a big deal. So as of now there is a level, so which was a previous retest level. And if you notice in the down, check the downside, just this area only, check the down. Can't you see a W pattern? So you should understand as of now the point. So easily you can go with buyers here. And one more thing, finally we got win. Okay, what is the next candle now? Can I go with buyers? Yes, I can go with buyers, but entry. Okay, I will do one thing. I will take a reversal trend in the favor of selling, but this will be a buying candle only. Why? How can you say like that? Yeah, I have a reason for this. Previously we got a buyers, but does it seems it's a strong candle? No. So with the margin of safety only, I have taken with sellers, but the candle will be a buying candle only. Maybe if you check last 7 candles, there are rejections more. So the market has been rejections. See the level I have been plotted. Maybe you could understand better before the plotting only. So that's why I didn't mention. So you can check here. I have updated the level also from this level, previous retest level. So easily you can expect a reversals from these kind of areas. Okay. Coming to the point, what is the next candle now? Here, if you notice, okay, anyways, there is a rejection. So with the margin of safety, I will go with sellers. And there is a gap down. Sometimes the buyers will come. Anyways, with the margin of safety, go with sellers only, because it will respect most of the times. Because from that particular trend line, what do you understand? Let me take any margin of safety if possible. Okay, now I will take one more entry if possible. Yes, I got nice entry point. Anyways, here if you notice, there is a minor trend line from the top. From that area, every time what you are expecting, you are getting strong sellers, right? So can't you expect at least one candle? And one more thing, in the OTC, if you check, the gap down is clear. Sometimes it will reverse instantly, sometimes it will make one retracement, later it will reverse. Okay, so try to understand this point. Most of the times these kind of scenarios will be happened. See here we got a buying candle, because of our entry point we got saved. Can I go with sellers now? Yes, I can go with sellers, because now the market has been breakout. So easily you can go with a selling candle. Previously the market has made gap down, so that's why we can't. But here after breakout we can easily go with sellers. So you can understand these all points while trading. So try to check these points. Sometimes it will work, sometimes you should wait for one more candle. You may think, yeah, breakout again, continue. No, not at all. You should understand this kind of points. By these points only you get losses. So try to check these points in the trading. So here finally you got selling. Okay, what is the next candle? You all know previously the market has been respected those level. And can we consider as SNR? Yeah, we can consider as SNR also. So what do you expect now? Yeah, I will go with buyers. That's it. There is nothing to think. So easily you can go with buying candle here. So I will take with buyers. Let me take the trade first. I prefer every candle you need to take margin of safety. Margin of safety means just take the trades as much as possible with the rejection. Then only you can win easily, because sometimes retracements will come which are minor, but with the margin of safety only we can win those kind of trades. So try to check these kind of points. Easily you could understand the market better. Okay. So whenever you are trading, try to check the valid chart. Here if you check, it is a OTC pair, but the chart is good. So try to trade. There is nothing possible. The price action will work both in the real charts and in the OTC market. But Here it is main thing, you should plot perfect levels, perfect areas. That's it. Here I will go with sellers. Why? You all know one thing, just now the market has been breakout. And one more thing, after momentum, there are 3 candles after 1 retracements. Here I don't have any clarity to go with buyers here. And the candle didn't made any new high. So should I wait here? So let me wait for some time. Maybe you could understand better. Sometimes the market will make green red patterns. These candles will be the confirmation maximum, but here I didn't get any call to go with buyers, so that's why I'm waiting. And most of the people will say here is an engulfing candle, means even it is engulfing also you should need a retracement, right? So obviously we can go with sellers here. So these kind of scenarios will be happening in the market, so try to check. What is the next candle? Yeah, again you can go with buyers. Why? You can see now there is a pattern, green red pattern. So according to that, easily you can follow the pattern, and there is no any levels as of now. Already the trend line has been breakout and the market is trying to move in a sideways. From the downside you don't have any levels, so there is a level, but the market is on the level. It did it now, neither it has got support, neither it is on the resistance level. So easily you can, market is trying to move sideways, try to understand the point. That's it. Because every time market won't go in a flow, there need some sideways, there will be some zone, sometimes higher momentums. So these all things will mix up. Okay, here if you check what is the next candle. Okay, here I have a power issue, so 1 minute delayed. Okay, here again buyers came, so we got a confirmation for the buying candle, so I'm going with buyers again. Okay. So obviously in these kind of areas, previous was a green red pattern, but this time previous candle was again I got green, so easily we got a confirmation that the buyers are interested to go with up, so easily you can go with buyers again. So whenever you are trading in the market, try to check the situations, try to check the area, plot the levels perfectly. So maximum try to trade with margin of safety only. Okay, here finally there is a left side level. What is your call? Should I go with a reversal or should I continue the market? And even we have a gap down too. Okay, I will do one thing. With the margin of safety, I will go with buyers. Okay, okay, I have got nice entry point. We'll see if this is a retracement, we could win easily without any doubts. If this is not a retracement, we will be in loss. Okay, in the momentum in the between we may get 1 or 2 retracements, we all know that thing. So in that favor only I have taken with maximum margin of safety, I have gone with buyers. We'll see what will happen. And there is a gap down too because it's a OTC, right? So we have to check these kind of things. See how the market is instantly making a spikes because it's a OTC maybe. So that's why try to place the trade entry in the valid area only. Maybe you could understand better here. See, finally the sellers have been entered. Oh, it's not even a retracement, but now we can go with buyers. How can you say? You all know one thing, we are in a momentum first thing. And second thing, the market which has been reached previously to the support area, now obviously the market is trying to go up. And you all know that. And there is a previous retest level. So what do you need? So easily you can go with buyers, right? So according to this scenario, you can easily go with buyers. There are more possibilities of buyers entry. So try to grab this opportunity, go with buyers. If you have any doubts, you can message us in the Telegram by sending any screenshot which could we understand better. Okay. See how the market is movement fast. Okay, finally we got win maybe. Yes. Okay, finally, yeah, we got win. Okay, here what is the next candle? I didn't see any new high, so I will try to go with sellers only. Here I will going with sellers. Try to check the points always, because sometimes one or two candles will be lost because of weak retracements, because of some error candles, because of late entries. But try to analyze those things, but don't change your mindset. Losses will be common in every market, but try to understand why it is loss. The day which when you got the perfect answer, even if you lost, if you got the answer, yeah, you are on a right track. So try to understand those things first of all. Otherwise, you may change your mind. Oh, I was wrong about that situation. But as of now, you should not think like that. Here, okay. Oh, finally we got loss. See, here we got a weak candle. It is a error candle or sometimes. Okay, I will go with sellers here. Maybe here the sellers needed, but because of the strong candle, maybe sometimes we may get one weak candle. And you, if you notice that particular previous candle, you don't even get any strength, not even a high also. So you can't just go with the confirmation that there are buyers interested. So here you can go with sellers. If you observe the market, I have didn't plot much levels, only two levels, because the levels which we needed the most only we needed here. Otherwise, we need no need to draw all the things. Slowly, easily you can also plot these kind of things, because every time, every scenario, we no need much levels because we are trading in a just 1 minute time frame. So we no need to think this much. Oh, we got lost exact week. Our prediction is correct, but our entry point made us loss. Okay, anyways, I will take one more trade. This is my confident trade because the sellers will enter here. Still, there is a gap for the next level. So, see, you can understand entry point is really important. Weak candles, the market is trying to make weakness, show the weakness. Anyways, it's okay. While you are trading, try to understand the concept which will give you boosting, because sometimes do one thing, open the chart, just plot the levels, observe the market. It is the best thing to understand the charts. When we trade, we focus on the area. When we observe, we focus on whole chart. So by that you may know something new which will be understandable easily. So try to adopt those kind of things. You may get nice clarity regarding charts. See, finally we got win. Okay, this is my last trade. Okay, I will complete this trade. I will close the session. Here, what is the next candle? Come on, prediction. Yes, you can go with buyers. Why? There is a level left side where previously every time the resistance has been formed, every time there is a rejections. See, you can easily understand. Here, let me plot a level. Yes, you can find this level. Every time from this area, the sellers have been entered. Market has been retested that particular area. So you can easily go with buyers. And one more thing, there is a one more level, which is a minor, but I need to show you also. You can check this level. Let me show you. This is my next level. One more confirmation, just confirmation. Okay. After this winning, I will close the session. So finally we got win. I think you have got clarity regarding trades. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.